Hi there everyone, welcome to our channel. Who's ready for free funded accounts? Yes, we are growing and giving back. As FS Good Mentors, our focus is not only on making money, but to also make a difference in the Forex industry. Firstly, we are traders. As you all know, our vision is to end up as one of the future market leaders. Slowly and steady, we are making a big impact in this industry. Now, about the free funded accounts. We will be giving away free funded accounts from 100 USD up to 1000 USD by selecting 5 lucky winners each week for the next 6 months. Yes, we will be giving away free funded accounts from 100 USD up to 1000 USD by selecting 5 lucky winners each week for the next 6 months. So you can imagine how much money we're going to lose in the process too. However, we believe that you have to give in order to receive more. Such big moves were inspired by one of the biggest YouTubers we have, which is Mr. Beast. And no, he is not a forex trader, and some of you might know about his work. However, his impact really motivated us to also give back as well. The only challenge we had was how to properly select the lucky winners. Luckily, we have an Instagram account for FS Gold at FSGold_. Kindly be aware of scammers. The only legit accounts are followed by FS Gold. Be careful of FS Gold impersonators. Anyway, we asked our people for help since this giveaway is for the people. How would they prefer to have us select the 5 lucky winners on a weekly basis for the next 6 months? The only challenges we had were these 2 things: checking which broker to use. Number 2, how to select the lucky winners. At this time and moment, we are using FOREX 360. Remember guys, when you choose a broker, be sure to do your homework and verify whether they are regulated and have annual broker reviews. Secondly, the broker you use must allow Google reviews like any international broker. This is for transparency and allowing people to leave reviews of which you believe that's how you get to improve your customer services. Make sure you choose a broker that is highly rated. Previously, we were using XM. It's a good broker. However, we are in different parts of the world, which makes it hard for us to communicate with them, especially for this giveaway. Luckily, we found one of the few legitimate brokers in our country, which is FOREX 360. They are regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in South Africa, which is the FSCA. They are on my FX book. They won 2020 Forex Awards against many brokers nominated in the same category. And they are highly rated on Google, and that is why we are using this broker in our country. FOREX 360 is only a few cities away from our location. Should we have any problems, we can easily pay them a visit. All FS Good Mentors have contributed towards this giveaway. Yes, we trade for a living. Below is just a sneak peek for legitimacy purposes, where we withdrew some funds that we contributed towards this giveaway. So we use my FS book as proof, as it's used to regulate legitimate trading accounts on an international level. Now, number 2, how to select the lucky winners. After selecting a broker we're going to use, the only challenge we had left was how to select the lucky winners. For that, we made an Instagram post where our people left us recommendations on how to choose the lucky winners. Here were their recommendations. We then chose to use this option and made adjustments from it as it's more fair and unbiased. Firstly, we want to be as fair and transparent as we possibly can, so our giveaways will be structured like this. We are going to host YouTube live streams on EMMANUEL Forex YouTube channel.
During the YouTube live streams, we will ask people who want to win the free $100 funded accounts to request a YouTube live with us and then give us reasons as to why do they think they deserve to win the free $100 funded accounts, and we will basically nominate only 5 people weekly with the assistance of the people watching at that time during our YouTube live streams. Do understand, we will be running this giveaway every week for the next 6 months. So don't worry if you miss a few chances. This giveaway is ending on the 31st of March 2021. It's running only for 6 months. There's still countless opportunities for you to win on our weekly selections.
So you might wonder, why are we doing this giveaway? As FS Gold, we saw that the lack of money amongst communities seems to be the main root of wrongful ways or unlawful activities. As one of the FS Gold members, I can attest that we all come from disadvantaged backgrounds. So we know very well and understand what it means to have no one and no opportunities. We are basically trying to show people the right way to make money, thus eliminating the need to do unlawful activities for the purpose of acquiring money. Money in most cases is the root of all evil. Yes, because many people are hungry for it and will do anything to acquire wealth. The reason we are doing giveaways is because we are trying to bridge the gap for people who are coming from disadvantaged backgrounds like we did. People who are unable to chase their dreams because of having lack of opportunities and having no one to depend on for money. In life, we all want to make money. The question is always how. We were also stuck on that question once. How to make money the right way. The world seems to be moving towards the 4th industrial revolution. We are moving online. So what is the first question? How to make money online. Through trial and error, we discovered Forex trading. Forex trading can be a way to build means and be able to allow a person to have opportunities to chase their dreams. We are here today because of Forex trading. Never stop believing. It's better to move slow and steady than to move fast and shaky. Life doesn't require that we be the best, only that we try our best. The power is in your hands. FS Goals.